Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to do a review on the open response, which is a test that you will be taking tomorrow. And I thought it would be easier to show it to you on the overhead projector in our classroom. So that is what I'm going to do because I'm going to write on it. And as I write on it, you can follow along and then you can do it on your pages. If you would like a paper copy of this, you can reach out to your uh, teacher and they can have one for you in the office. Otherwise, you can just follow along. I will be reviewing these on this slide recording, and then in the next two slides are the actual pages that I will be showing you that you can write on the slide. So either way, but this is a test that we would be taking tomorrow. It will be very similar to this. It'll have different numbers. But if you do this, you should be doing very well on your test tomorrow. So the first, let me just go over it with you. It says Cindy is learning how to use more efficient strategies for multiplication. She learned about adding or subtracting or group, subtracting a group, doubling and near squares. She used the adding a group strategy to solve 6 times 9. She explained, I will use the helper fact 5 times 9. I know that 5 times 9 is 45. I can add one more group of 9 to 45 to get 54. I now have 6 groups of 9, so I know 6 times 9 is equal to 54. It says use a picture to show how Sydney solved the problem. Explain how your picture matches Sydney's explanation. So what they want you to do is make a picture. That's why I'm going to be doing it on the board with you so that you know how to make a picture. Basically, we will be making an array. So I'm going to move the paper up a little bit because you have a lot of space here to work on. And you're going to start with 5 times 9. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, and it's 5, so I'm going to go 5 down and make 9 across. Making my array, this is my picture. So here I go. I know it takes a little bit of time, but it's easier for me to do it like this on paper than to try to type all these out. So I will try to do this for you. There you go. So there you see an array. There are 9 across and 5. That's her helper fact. But she knows what 5 times 9. She knows that this is equal to 45. But she wants to know what 6 times 9 is. So she's going to add another row. That's what she says. I am going to have 6 groups of 9. So, I add one more group. So she's going to add another group of 9 over here. And now she has 6 times 9. And so she just adds 45 plus 9. And that would be 54. So now she knows that 6 times 9 is 54. We just drew a picture. That's what they want you to do. They want you to draw a picture to show what she did. Then they want you, there's a bunch of lines down here. Now they want you to explain how your picture matches what she did. So you will write, I made an array. Oops, I'll put it up so you can see what I'm writing. I made an array of 5 times 9. Then I added another row of 9. I added 45 plus 9, and got 54. So I know 6 times 9 equals 54. That's how you explain it. Okay, that's what they want you to do to explain it. And I am so sorry for the dot that you're seeing on the screen here. That's the projector. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn this over because you have another page to do, which is over here. And on this one, it says, choose at least one other efficient multiplication strategy, such as doubling square or near squares to solve 6 times 9. Use pictures, words to show how you solve the problem. Now, you have learned a lot. You've learned the break apart method too. So you can use any strategy, not the one that they used, but a different one. So I am going to use the doubling. So you know with doubling, we make a square like this. And then we put 6 times 9. Remember with doubling, we cut the one that is even in half. So we can't cut 9 in half equally, but we can cut 6 in half equally. So I'm going to cut it in half. So this would be 3 and 3. And then we would go 3 times 9 equals what? And 3 times 9 equals what? So think about it. What is 9 plus 9 plus 9? Or you can do the 9 trick and figure this out. So if you add 9 3 times, you will get 27. So there we go. This is 27 and this is 27. Now you're going to add 27 plus 27 together. And that would be 14 and 54. So 6 times 9 equals 54. That is what they want you to do. Now, you could do the break apart strategy, which we have learned, or the near squares strategy, which you could go, a square would be, let's see, 6, well, I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, well, I'm not sure how you could do that. But anyways, this is the way to do the doubling strategy. And you can use any other strategies that we have learned to try to work this problem out. But this is what they want. They want pictures and explanation, how you got your answer using a strategy that we have learned.